how to use project request and approval template here on monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to use project request and approval template here on monday.com. So if you need this template, what you need to do, you need to log into monday.com, and once when you log in, you can see right here these are the boards that I'm working on, and on the left hand side you can also see the other boards and folders. So what do you need to do? You need to click on this press icon, and then you need to go on board and then start with template, and here you need to write project request and approval. Mind my spelling. Here you go, project request and approval. Now the beauty of monday.com is that you don't have to start everything from the scratch because everything is already done. You just have to use this template and you'll be good to go. So another, I would say, good thing about this template is that it can be integrated with the many softwares that we use on a day-to-day basis. So let's just click on use template and wait for the template to be created. Here you can see the project request and approval board is created, and these are the new requests, these are the under considerations, and these are the approved ones. And there's this form that first they need to fill, and once when they fill this and submit it, then the data will be transferred here. And we can also share this form. It's completely shareable to members of monday.com, to the subscribers, and even the non-subscribers can share it. Somebody who's not on monday.com, you can also share this form with him or her and collect their data. We can do some editing to this form as well. Like, do we need to have a password protection, shorten the URL, or require login to monday.com? That's completely up to us. So once when they fill it, it will be transferred here. And we can also use an automation that, whenever an under consideration request has been approved, it will automatically shift here to this approved section right here. We can easily do this with the help of automation and add a custom automation. And here we can write that, whenever status changes, when status changes to uh, approve, then move item to group approved. Here you go. We can create this automation, and this is going to make our life much more easier, because when any request will be approved, it will be automatically sent here. Here you go, with the help of the automation. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.